Hello everybody, thank you for watching again. This is day 10 of unboxing the beer advent calendar, and I am dripping in my ATL gear. Access the lifestyle.com. Go get some gear for my homeboy Andres. Boom. Anyways, not sponsored, but again, I'll hook him up on that. Look, check that shit out. Boom. This is last year's style too. I got my other one just in last week. What up, AP? Thank you for the hookup. Got it on that. But anyways, we're here. Day 10. Let's do the damn thing. Where is number 10? And what do we have here? Fucking A, what is up with these names, man? Saisonez? Saisons. It's a double dry hopped blonde beer. Saisons. Bourgeois Martins Bockhawk. Fuck, man. If anybody knows how to pronounce that, can you please write the pronunciation or something in the comments or something? Or maybe leave a video in the comments that says how to correctly pronounce this shit. But this is what this is. Can't pronounce it. Viva la Germany. Whatever. I don't know. Fucking America. You know what I'm saying? Access the lifestyle. Beer advent calendar. Tony Santana. Out. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year's. 2019. 2020 coming around the corner.